In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to your tables and figures in Microsoft Word. This is a useful feature, especially when you're working on a lengthy document, like a report or thesis, where managing and referencing various tables and figures efficiently can save you time and add a layer of professionalism to your work. To get started, you need to have your document open with tables or figures that you'd like to caption. Navigate to the item you wish to caption. Once you're there, look towards the top of your screen and find the menu that says References. Click on this tab, and you'll notice a range of options specifically designed to help you manage your document's references and citations. Next, locate and click on the Insert Caption button. This will open a dialog box for you. The dialog box is your control center for adding captions, and it's pretty straightforward. The first thing you'll want to do here is to choose the appropriate label for your item. For tables, select Table, and for figures, opt for Figure. This small step is crucial because it tells Word what kind of object you're working with, and it organizes them accordingly. After you've selected the correct label, it's time to enter your caption text. Type something descriptive and clear, like Table 1, Sales by Region. This not only helps you identify the table or figure at a glance, but it's also helpful for anyone who reads your document, giving them context at a quick glance. Spend a bit of time here to ensure that the caption accurately describes the content of the table or figure. Once you've got your label and caption typed out, you'll notice an option to choose whether this caption appears above or below the object. This choice can depend on your personal preference or any specific guidelines you might need to follow for your document, like academic standards, which often have specific placement rules. With your label, text, and position all set, go ahead and click OK. Congratulations, you've successfully added a caption to your object. Word now knows to include this in your list of tables or figures, which makes generating these lists a breeze later on. Don't forget to repeat this process for all of the tables and figures that you plan to include in your list. It's important because Word will only pick up those items that have been properly captioned. If you skip this step for any table or figure, it simply won't make it to the list, potentially causing confusion or a missed reference. I hope this guide helps you add that extra layer of organization and clarity to your documents. As always, practice these steps a couple of times, and soon enough, adding captions will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy captioning.